this video is about how to use the formulas of encircle to solve an example under the concept encircle and excircle of a triangle. So this is our given example with the altitudes P1, P2, P3 which are drawn from the vertices of the triangle ABC. So this is a triangle ABC, and now let us name the sides of the triangle as well as the altitudes of a triangle. So these are the names of sides and altitudes of a triangle. So the triangle ABC consists of 3 triangles. So we get separate areas of each triangle. So the area of triangle ABC will be equal to delta is equal to half into base, which is A, into the height P1, and the area of triangle CBA will be half into the base B into the height P2, and then for the other triangle the area would be delta is equal to half C into P3. So from this area we can write the value of P1, which should be equal to 2 delta by A. And now let us name this value as equation 1, and then from this area we get the value of P2, which would be 2 delta by B, and name this as equation 2. And similarly here we get the value of P3, which will be 2 delta by C, and now name this as equation 3. So hence we found the values of P1, P2 and P3. And now we have to show that the value of 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2 plus 1 by P3 is equal to 1 by 3. So first let us consider the LHS side and substitute the values of P1, P2 and P3. So by substituting the values we get A by 2 delta plus B by 2 delta plus C by 2 delta. And then we have the common denominator. So by adding the numerators we get A plus B plus C, which is 2S divided by 2 delta, and then cancelling 2 we get the result as S by delta. So we can write S by delta in the form of 1 by delta by S, and delta by S is nothing but the value of R. So we get 1 by R, which is the value on the LHS side. So hence we proved this condition. And then coming to the second one and substituting the values of P1, P2 and P3, we get A by 2 delta plus B by 2 delta minus of C by 2 delta. And then in the numerator by adding and subtracting C we get 2S minus 2C divided by the common denominator 2 delta. And then taking 2 and cancelling we get S minus C by delta. So we can also write this in the form of 1 by delta by S minus C. So delta by S minus C is the formula of R3 under encircle. So we get the value 1 by R3, which is the value on the RHS side. So hence we proved the second condition. And make a note of the formula, that is R is equal to delta by S, whereas the formula of delta by S minus C is equal to R3. And then the sum of the sides such as A plus B plus C is equal to 2S. So these are the formulas of encircle. So in this way we can solve many examples using the formulas of properties of triangle. Hope you understood the concept. For more videos visit our website VTech Academy. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.